Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware called TZW. TZW is the ransomware that is able to encrypt and damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will recommend you the solution to avoid such ransomware problems. Now, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, such as pictures, music, all sorts of files. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TZW ransomware may be easily injected into the device. It then appends this special TZW extension to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom, though, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data restored. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is also provided with anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your files from being damaged in the future. You can add certain folders, and the contents of these folders will always be protected. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. We recommend premium license as the best solution for protecting your data.